Hello, everyone. I'm Kevin from Shenzhen KosinTec Company Limited. Now I'm in Las Vegas, InfoComm Show 2026. I want to introduce you our new product, LED monitor. This one is LED monitor, and it's GOB technology. We have different kind of pixel pitch of this product. We can P 1.8, 1.5, and 1.2. GOB, COB, and SMD are available. This cabinet is a 675 millimeter by 300 millimeters. And the advantage of this product is you can combine many of this size together to show a longer and a bigger display. And another advantage of this product is we make it as HDMI solution. You can use it as a LED monitor. Just use your only player box, input the HDMI input, connect HDMI input, use it as an LED monitor. And we also can use built-in Android player and just install your software in it. So it is very convenient and very flexible. If you want to know more about this product, please visit our website, www.kosintec.com. Thank you.